Jonathan Godfrey, on-site wastewater professionals. I am here with John Juvenile. And John, you have an innovation for the folks maybe that are land applying and trying to speed the operation up, make it more efficient.
Right.
This is a better bar screen. Is it possible?
It's way possible.
This you call it the Muckraker.
Muckraker.
What does it do? talk to me about it.
It's basically a vibratory screen. It's a way for us to take out all of the trash and debris. This is a mock-up for the show. It drops into an auger that's here. It extends out, and there's an extruder tube that squeezes all the water out of the trash and debris. You're not sitting there raking it. You're not shoveling it. It's all being done for you. We can unload our trucks at 400 gallons a minute.
Compare that to a typical bar screen where I'm unloading that 3,500 to 4,000 gallon truck. I got to sit there, gravity flow, because I can't overwhelm the screen. I've got some time invested in that. Then I've got to clean it up. I got a wet product and clean up.
Exactly.
Yours, I can do what as far as flow?
Our guys pull up and they hook up a 4-inch hose. We're using LC 420 Durant pumps on our trucks. We do a full push, roughly 400 gallons a minute. Now the glory in that is all the baby wipes and stuff that get clogged up at the end, or all the grit that builds up in your tank, it's not sitting in your tank and rotting anymore, because the velocity of the water coming out is carrying all that out every time you dump. You're cleaning your truck out every time you dump. Our guys take about 10 minutes to unload a 4,000 gallon truck. The water comes in, and anything larger than 3/16 of an inch, I don't know if you can see the size.
It's actually pretty fine. So 3/16, not your typical bar screen size.
Right, which is usually like 3/4 of an inch. Even if you get a bar screen that's got closer fins, you're still going to have hair and fabric strands and condoms and stuff that go through that gap.
Frankly, if it's finer bar screen, more time on a gravity flow.
Yes.
That material is shaken
Yes.
and separated and pushed towards this end, and then it gets into an auger on this end.
Now this is sitting in travel mode right now, which means it's flat. Typically the basket's going to be tilted up, and those motors are orbital, so it's like the walking bed of a dump truck. So the motors come down, the screens come down, they pick up material and they toss it forward, and then they drop back down and so forth. The material is actually vibrating uphill. And the longer it takes that material to get off the screen, the drier it is before it even...
So we're already pretty dry when we get here. And you're going to do something else to even dry that material out even more.
It gets into an auger here. The auger is spinning. It transports all that debris up into a closed cylinder that has perforations on the bottom of it, and it's got a wastegate at the end that's pressurized. So as it slams all that trash up into that tube, it's just squeezing it more and more and more. Water drips out. On the real model, there's a pan right here.
We're catching that water.
The water goes back and it drains back into the surge tank underneath.
So the debris that we're left with, the solids, is it dry enough to take it to a landfill?
It passes the paint filter test.
That's a big deal, right?
It is.
I can make my operation more efficient. I can push a lot of gallons through here.
Right.
I don't have to rake and handle things. The product I'm left with, the cleaner water,
Absolutely
protects pumps and other things depending on your operation downstream.
Yes.
The solids debris is more manageable.
The whole reason I made this is because we are dewatering as a way to vertically integrate and process all of our own wastewater. In my dewatering process, my pumps were getting clogged up all the time with the stuff that was going through the bar screen and the plate screen and the things that we were trying to do. I don't have those problems anymore.
I'm looking at some pretty good sized motors up here. Are we talking 3-phase power? What kind of setup do I have?
Well, listen, this is the most magical part.
Tell me, Matt.
This got three 3-horse motors that are all supposed to run off 480 volt 3-phase. I've got a really good industrial electrician that's a friend of mine. In our control panel, we can run this entire machine, all 3 motors, off of a 30 amp RV plug plugged into the side of it, or you can even use a generator if you need to. 240 volt single phase, and it's pulling only about 14 amps.
This is a solution you created for your business to help you deal with some bottlenecks, restrictions in your land app business, and it's a practitioner driven thing. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I'm impressed by it. Appreciate you taking me.
Thanks for stopping by.